Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Olive color, dark blue color, violet color, grey color, green color, lime color, red color, black color, pink color, purple color, brown color, yellow color. A for arrow. B for box. C for chocolate. D for duck. E for ear. F for flowers. G for goat. H for hair. I for eyes. J for jar. K for kids. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nose. O for oxygen. P for parrot. Q for question. R for rainbow. S for strawberry. T for toys. U for umbrella. V for vulture. W for watermelon. X for Xerox. Y for yogurt. Z for zero. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.